How to change your passcode or password on the Solflare Wallet app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Solflare Wallet on your device. After you do so, you can see this type of interface once you log into your account. To change your password, hit the settings or gear icon on the bottom right hand side and click on Security and Privacy. Once you do that, you can see the Change Passcode option. You can update your account security by clicking on Change Passcode. Now, what you need to do is enter your current passcode first of all. So after you enter it, what you need to do is now set up a new passcode for yourself. Once you do that, you should do that once again. So set up a new passcode once again, wait for a while, and as you can see, the password or the passcode of the Solflare wallet has been updated. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.